So the issue I had was this piece right here. This is the tie rod end outer. This is the one that we pulled off, and this piece right here is just very loose. So just moving the tire, you got supposed to be a lot tighter. So we removed it, put this one on, so it's not going anywhere. And when I was going over bumps, it would just vibrating and clunking. And when I pressed the gas, it was fine. But when I let go of the gas or was slowing down without pushing the brake, it was clunking as well. So this fixes it. It's really easy to do as well.